Hello there, fellow YouTubers. It's me again. And with this, my 40th video upload, I decided to do something totally different. Now, I've been a hunter and a shooter for 50 years. And I bought my first air rifle back in 1966. I was age 18. And it cost me $10. And this is it here. It's a Gecado Model 35. And, as you can see, it's all but as new and pristine as the day I bought it 48 years ago. Now, it's a simple break action, caliber 177, and fires the small 177 pellet. Now, these weigh anything from 4 to 8 grains. Now, to this rifle, pops along at around 800 feet per second. I've never chronographed it, so I'm not sure. Although, from some of the CO2 operated air rifles, it can pop along at 1,000 plus. But I just use it for a bit of target shooting now and then. And I don't know if you can see the target down here behind me, but we'll give it a shot nonetheless. What do you know? I actually hit it. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, because very shortly I'm heading bush for a couple of months, and while away I'll be doing a little bit of hunting and a bit of target shooting as well, and I will show you some of my other firearms in action. A 243 up to a 30-30 under and over shotgun, and with a couple of my 22s. So please subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll be seeing you again. Thank you for watching.